Forex Trading Books for Beginners. Essential Reading List. Reading books on Forex trading can provide beginners with valuable knowledge, insights, and strategies to navigate the complex world of currency trading. These books cover various aspects of Forex trading, including technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, trading psychology, and more. Here is a curated list of essential Forex trading books for beginners. Currency Trading for Dummies by Kathleen Brooks and Brian Dolan. This beginner-friendly book provides a comprehensive introduction to Forex trading, covering topics such as currency pairs, market analysis, charting techniques, risk management, and trading strategies. It offers practical advice and insights in an easy-to-understand language. A Beginner's Guide to Forex Trading by Matthew Driver. This book offers a step-by-step guide for beginners, introducing them to the basics of Forex trading. It covers essential topics like understanding currency pairs, technical analysis tools, trading platforms, and risk management. It's a practical resource for those starting their Forex trading journey. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. This book delves into the psychological aspects of trading and the importance of developing a disciplined mindset. It helps traders understand the impact of emotions on trading decisions and provides techniques to control emotions and improve trading performance. Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John J. Murphy. This comprehensive guide covers technical analysis techniques, including chart patterns, indicators, and oscillators. It explains how to apply technical analysis to identify trends, make trading decisions, and manage risk. It's a valuable resource for traders looking to enhance their technical analysis skills. Reminiscences of a Stock Operator by Edwin Lefevre. Although not solely focused on Forex trading, this classic book offers timeless insights into trading psychology and the mindset of successful traders. It tells the story of legendary trader Jesse Livermore and provides valuable lessons on market speculation, risk management, and discipline. The Little Book of Currency Trading by Kathy Lean. This book provides an overview of the Forex market, including key concepts, fundamental analysis, technical analysis tools, and trading strategies. It's written in a concise and accessible manner, making it suitable for beginners looking for a quick introduction to Forex trading. Trading in the Zone. Master the Market with Confidence, Discipline, and a Winning Attitude by Mark Douglas. In this book, Mark Douglas explores the psychological aspects of trading and how traders can develop the right mindset for success. It offers insights into overcoming fear, managing emotions, and maintaining discipline in trading. The Disciplined Trader. Developing Winning Attitudes by Mark Douglas. This book focuses on the importance of discipline in trading and provides practical techniques to develop and maintain discipline. It covers topics such as goal setting, risk management, and the psychology of winning traders. Trade Your Way to Financial Freedom by Van K. Tharp. This book emphasizes the importance of developing a personalized trading system based on individual goals, risk tolerance, and trading style. It offers insights into position sizing, money management, and the psychology of successful trading. The New Trading for a Living by Alexander Elder. This comprehensive guide covers various aspects of trading, including technical analysis, risk management, trading psychology, and trading systems. It offers practical advice for traders at different skill levels. These books provide a solid foundation for beginners in Forex trading. However, it's important to supplement book learning with practical experience, continuous learning, and keeping up with current market trends.